Hi friends, welcome to Pals Passion. So this is the day of the event that I had gone to Goa to attend, and this is me while going. And ये वो भी डे था कि जिस दिन मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था इवेंट में मैं डांस नहीं कर पाई. So I will show you everything. This was me entering. Yes, that was the banner there behind me, and I was talking to Shinjini, my new friend. So I was asking her, did you bring any change? And then she told me that no, even I also did not bring any change. And that was the band that they gave us after registration. And this was all the hustle and bustle there inside after the first batch of dancers. Then as I was the second batch. And after that, what happens is a big, yeah, that's what I fell down, and that's my knee dislocation. And yes, Kiranji was very sweet, and he was telling, Mr. Kiran was so sweet. He was telling me, no, nothing, you did not. Don't worry, you will be fine. No. He was so sweet. Just love him. Yeah, so that's he was sitting with me, everyone was busy with me. They started the program so late. After that, the ambulance came and they brought me to the Asilo hospital in Mopsa, Goa. That was the sprinter, I think so, that they tied around my leg, and I was waiting for the x-ray. So this was me inside the hospital. I was admitted to OPD, emergency. एंड वहाँ पे मुझे मेरे पलाश भैया, मेरे ड्राइवर भैया ने मुझे वहाँ पे लेके गए. अच्छा, दिस वाज आफ्टर द knee was relocated and the brace was done, and that's the x-ray report in my hand. Now after that I came to the hotel, and this was me in Goa airport. This was the next day actually, and ये मैं Goa airport in the departure section में मैं बैठी थी. मेरा wheelchair भी था वहाँ पे. मैं वॉशरूम जाके खाना वाना खा के मेरा असिस्टेंट इंडिगो से मुझे मिल गया था wheelchair, and बहुत अच्छा केयर लिया इंडिगो ने. I must say that I can never forget. And yes, this was me. I was just yeah, I had my dinner फ्रॉम सबवे, एंड यहाँ पे मैं बैठ के वेट कर रही थी मेरे फ़्लाइट का. तो मेरा अटेंडेंट जो था वो मुझे यहाँ पे बिठा के वो चला गया था, एंड ही सेड दैट मैम आप वेट कीजिए यहाँ पे, आर यू कंफर्टेबल, एंड आई विल बी कमिंग टू टेक यू, डोंट वरी. एंड देन उसके बाद ये था, शायद मैं मुंबई तो पहुंच गई थी. ये मुंबई से टेक ऑफ के बाद मैंने लिया था, क्योंकि वो रात को मैं पहुंची थी तो वहाँ पे मैंने नहीं लिया था, मैं सो गई थी फ़्लाइट में. ये मुंबई से सी ऑफ के बाद मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा शॉट लिया था, क्योंकि मुंबई एट नाइट लुक्स सो स्पार्कली एंड ग्लिटरी. बहुत सुंदर लगता है ये फ्रॉम द फ्लाइट, फ्रॉम टॉप व्यू. तो ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. तो मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा शॉट ले लिया था टेक ऑफ करने के बाद, और उसके बाद आई जस्ट स्लेप्ट, क्योंकि ये बहुत लंबा फ़्लाइट था, 2 घंटे के ज़्यादा था. और ये माय स्वीट डियर असम, गुवाहाटी, मेरा सिटी. एंड हाँ, ये आप जो देख रहे हैं, बहुत एरिया बाढ़ में, थोड़ा पानी ज़्यादा, मतलब फ्लड में कवर्ड है एरिया. You can see that many people are affected also in the flood, and I myself, I have contributed for the flood affected people, so that I can give a bit of help from my end. What I can do, I have done my bit, and many people have done and have come up forward to help the people of Assam. I really appreciate them, because these are our people, my people. Thank you so much to everyone. And yes, ये मैं आ गई थी, एंड मैं मतलब बहुत जो मैंने मेरा ये ट्रिप से मुझे जो सीखने को मिला है, I came out very confident, more confident, triumphant, resilient, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि yes, हाँ, एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ है मेरा, but that will never stop me for going to more such trips in future. And also, you all will be there along with me. I will be sharing with you all everything. Stay tuned for my next solo trip. It will be coming very soon. So please do subscribe. I don't know why you all, after subscribing, you all unsubscribe. I don't understand why. Please do subscribe. If you have anything you want me to do, please share in the comment section. If it's possible for me, I will definitely do such vlogs, whichever vlogs you all want me to do. I do health, beauty also, and regular everyday vlogs as well. So thank you so much. Please do subscribe to my channel. I love you all. God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of your dear and near ones, and especially for the women. Yes, you all can go for solo trips. Yes, women, you can go for solo trips. There will be a one more vlog where I will be sharing my shopping vlog, whatever I have shopped in Goa. I will be doing that vlog also very shortly. And please do subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming wonderful vlogs. Thank you so much. Love you all. God bless.